Today we are going to read Unit 3, A Rupee Goes a Long Way. It sounds nice, okay? It sounds nice, a rupee goes a long way. And I think it is very interesting story. So students, this story is written by Ruskin Bond. So he is the author of this story, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Okay? And Ruskin Bond is a very famous Indian writer. Ruskin Bond was a very famous Indian writer, and Ruskin Bond has also played a very important role in the growth of children's literature in India. He has written several popular novels, short stories and poems. Most of his writing is influenced by his life of hill stations at the foothills of the Himalayas, where he has spent his childhood. So Ruskin Bond has spent his childhood in hilly area, okay, in hilly area. So most of his stories influenced by the hill stations, okay. So now, before reading the chapter, we will read hard words because it can help you to influence your speaking skill, okay. Now, so first one is Jalebis, 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 Shruged, it's shrugged, shrugged, okay, Shruged, shrugged. Now next is Silence, 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 Examined, 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 examined. It means when you look something very carefully, okay, so that is called examined. Vigorously, 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 okay, Vigorously, vigorously. Stream, it's stream, Stream, stream. Startled, startled, startled. Necklace, it's necklace. Next is Fluge, it's flute. And last one is Wandering, wandering, wandering. Once again, Jalebis, Jalebis, Shruged, it's shrugged, Silence, silence, Examined, examined, vigorously, Stream, it's stream, Startled, startled, Necklace, it's necklace, Fluge, flute, and last one is Wandering, it's wandering. So now let me have a start our chapter. So first I will read it, then I will explain. Okay students, now I am going to read the chapter A Rupee Goes a Long Way. Ranji. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jumna's sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter and asked for a rupee's worth of jalebis. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. "That coin's no good," he said. "Are you sure?" Ranji asked. These coins went out of use long ago, said the shopkeeper. It isn't old enough to be valuable, and it isn't new enough to buy anything. Ranji's shocked look took the coin back and turned on the road. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Where are you going, Ranji? It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. I'm not going anywhere, said Ranji. Where are you going? I'm not going, I have been. Mohinder said, I was fishing in the canal all morning. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. You'll only lose it or break it, Mohinder said. But I don't mind selling it to you, 2 rupees. I've got 1 rupee, said Ranji. But it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. Please, let me see it, said Mohinder. He took the coin and looked it over. I don't suppose it's worth much. But my uncle collects old coins. Give it to me and I'll give you the rod. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I'm going fishing. Climb up in the back, the driver said. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. Soon he was watching the road sliding away from him. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed and Ranji got down, thanked the driver, and began walking along the bank. It was the dry season and the river was just a shallow, muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest of fish. No wonder Mohinder. Let me have his rod, he muttered, and with a shrug he turned back. It was a long, hot walk back to the bazaar. Ranji thought again of the jalebis that he had not been able to buy. He had reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, the flute made a cheerful sound. Ranji stopped walking. The boy stopped playing. The boy had his eye on Ranji's fishing rod. Ranji had his eye on the flute. Been fishing? Asked the flute player. Yes, said Ranji. Okay, students, now I'm going to explain it. So first, I want to show you old coin. Just wait. Okay, see students. These are old coins. Okay, these are old coins. As you can see, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 10 paise, and this is 5 paise, and so on. So these were the old coins when Britishers were ruled out. Okay. Now, okay students, so have you seen these were the old coins? Okay, so now let me read. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jumna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter and asked for a rupee's worth of jalebis. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. So Ranji had a 1 rupee coin and that was very old. He made his way to the Jumna sweet shop because he wanted to buy jalebis with 1 rupee coin. So he tossed this coin on the counter and asked for shopkeeper, how much jalebis I can buy with this 1 rupee coin. Then shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. He said, that coin is not so good. Ranji asked, are you sure it's not good? He said, yes. These coins went out of use long ago. It means people stopped using these coins. It isn't old enough to be valuable and it isn't new enough to buy anything. Shopkeeper said to Ranji, it isn't old enough to be valuable, but you cannot buy anything with this coin. Ranji shrugged, took the coin back and turned on the road. Then suddenly Ranji raised his shoulders and dropped them to show he did not care much. He was just showing to a shopkeeper he did not care so much. Then he turned onto the road. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar. Wandering, it means moving here and there without any reason. Okay, so soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar and when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Suddenly Ranji heard a familiar voice behind him. Where are you going, Ranji? That person was asking with Ranji, where are you going? Ranji turned back and he looked. He was Mohinder Singh. Mohinder Singh, who was Ranji's friend. In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. Okay, so in Mohinder's hand, there was a homemade fishing rod. Do you know about the meaning of fishing rod? Fishing rod, it means a long tapering rod to which a fishing line is attached and typically on a reel, and people use this to catch the fish. Okay, now, so Mohinder had a fishing rod. I'm not going anywhere, said Ranji. Where are you going? So Ranji replied, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, he does not say anything with his friend. Then Ranji asked to his friend, where are you going? I'm not going. I've been, Mohinder said. Mohinder said, I'm not going anywhere. I was fishing in the canal all morning. Okay, canal, it means a small passage dug in the ground to carry water to filled crops. Okay, जो कनाल होती है एक स्मॉल पासेज होती है जो ग्राउंड में डग की जाती है एंड पीपल कैरी वाटर टू फीड फॉर देयर क्रॉप्स. ओके, नाउ so Mohinder said to Ranji, I was fishing in the canal all the morning. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. So Ranji looked vacantly at the fishing rod. Okay, and he asked Mohinder, can you give me? Can you lend it to me? You'll only lose it to it or break it. Then Mohinder said, you will only lose it or you will break it because you don't know this use. But I don't mind selling it to you 2 rupees. Then Mohinder said, okay,
I can sell you. I can sell you, but you have to pay 2 rupees for this fishing rod. I've got 1 rupee, said Ranji. But Ranji said, I have only 1 rupee coin. So, but it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. Ranji said to the Mohinder, I have only 1 rupee old coin, and it's very old. Sweet seller was saying with me, this is old and it is not valuable, and I cannot buy anything with this old coin. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. Then Mohinder said to Ranji, please let me see it. He took the coin and looked it over. Mohinder looked that coin. I don't suppose it's worth much. Then Mohinder said, I think its worth is not so much, but my uncle collects old coins. Okay, so Mohinder has an uncle and who collects old coins. Give it to me and I'll give you to the rod. Then they exchange it. How they can exchange? Ranji had given 1 rupee old coin, and Mohinder gave Ranji fishing rod. Okay, so after some time a truck came along. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. So when they make an exchange, then Ranji was very happy. He took the fishing rod and waving goodbye to Mohinder and set off. After some time, he saw a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver had waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I'm going fishing. Then Ranji asked to the driver, will you take me to the river? Because I'm going for fishing. Climb up in the back, the driver said. Then driver said, okay, climb up in the back. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck, and soon he was watching the rod slide away from him. Okay. So Ranji climbed into the back of the truck, and what he had seen, क्या देखा उसने? He was watching the road slide away from him. वह देख रहा था. The road was move away from him. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed. Ranji got down, thanked the river. And when the truck stopped near the riverbed, Ranji got down from the truck, and then he thanked to the driver and began walking along the bank. And he has started to walk along the bank. It was the dry season, and the river was just a shallow, muddy stream. Okay, so that season was dry season, and river was just a shallow, and it has a muddy stream. So Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest of fish. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered. So he was muttering that time, Mohinder let me have his rod. And with a shrug, he turned back. And then he turned back to the home. It was a long, hot walk back to the bazaar. So on the way of bazaar, he was going back to the home. But it was a long way, and the weather was so hot. Ranji thought again of the jalebis and that he had not been able to buy. Once again, when Ranji saw a sweet shop, he thought again about the jalebis. But this time he was not able to buy that sweet. He had reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. Then after some time, he saw a boy was playing a flute in the stillness of the hot afternoon. and the daytime was very hot because it was afternoon. The flute made a cheerful sound, and when the boy was making a making a flute sound, so that flute sound was very cheerful. So students, we will read till now today. Remaining part we will continue in next class.